how to show or hide mentions notifications on VK on Android or iOS phone. First open VK and then click Hub, and after that click these three lines here, and now click settings and then click notifications, and here we'll find scroll down until you find events, and here we'll find mentions, and here you can find show notifications. You can hide it, just select none, and you can show it again, and you can select only important notifications. And I hope that can help you. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.